So now we have all of our ingredients into our tortilla soup, and the last thing that we need to do, we've turned off the heat, is season it. And you want to make sure that you season it at the very end, because what happens is the more that it boils, the the liquid reduces and the salt becomes more concentrated. So you always season at the end. And I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of kosher salt and about a teaspoon of black pepper. You don't need too much pepper because you've got the pasilla pepper in there. Okay. And then the last thing I'm going to add is an ingredient called cumin, or also known as comino. And cumin has got a very strong, almost smoky flavor to it. So you want to be very careful. It's easy to over season with cumin, and it does have a very strong flavor. So if you're not sure about it, try a little bit, but be careful not to over season with it. And I'm going to put in about a teaspoon for this whole pot of soup. And the last thing I'm going to do is I'm going to mix it together. Now we're going to stir it all together, and it looks like it's ready to be served.